Assalamu alaikum. This is my very first video on my YouTube channel. It is about installing Flutter. Okay, since I don't own a Mac, so that's why I will install it on my Windows PC only. Okay, this is the official Flutter website, flutter.developers. You have two choices, either to install the zip file or copy this URL, git clone, and paste it to your command prompt. Okay, I have already installed Flutter on my F drive. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is update your path, update your environmental variables. For that, go to your Flutter. After you have installed Flutter, inside your Flutter folder, inside this bin folder, copy the whole path and paste it to your environmental variables. In the user variable section, edit, path, edit, new, and paste it right here. Okay, to check whether Flutter has successfully, your Windows has successfully recognized Flutter, type here command prompt and type here Flutter. As you can see, it has successfully recognized Flutter. Manage your Flutter app development. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is in your Android Studio. If you don't have an Android Studio installed on your PC, check out the link in the description to install the latest version of Android. Okay, install Flutter. Okay, so it is saying using third-party plugins may involve a plugin vendor processing your personal data. Accepted and install Dart. If you install Flutter, Dart will automatically be installed. Okay, Flutter has been installed. Installing Dart. Okay, restart the IDE. Restart. So as you can see, after the plugin has been installed, it is saying create new Flutter project. Okay, Flutter application, Flutter app, paste the directory where you have installed Flutter, means F. Okay, Flutter app, next, click next, click. Okay, could not ensure the target project location is accessible. Okay, Flutter app, Flutter, Flutter application, click and click finish. So here we have our first Flutter app ready to be run. Close this. Okay, as you can see, this is recognizing the device, indexing resources, your main file, as you can see, SDK gphone 86. This is Android emulator. Okay, wait a bit for its. Okay, the file has been downloaded. Now test the application. Okay, run this project on your Android emulator. Gradle task, assemble, debug. Okay, after several minutes, here is the Flutter app running on emulator. Okay, this is all from the video. If you think you have learned something from this video, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And for more videos, click the bell icon. Thank you so much.